So what's up my people, it's your favorite was speaking here once again with another video. So first of all, before doing any other thing on this video, I'm going to do a live withdrawal. So what I have to do now is to click on this my wallet icon over here, and then as you can see, I'm currently having 2,508.617 Catly available for me. So what I have to do is to click on sell Catly and then enter the amount which is available for me. So I'm gonna enter 2,508.6. yeah, when I enter it like that, 0.617. So it's gonna give me 8.36 USDT. So the next thing is to click on sell now, and as you can see, I just sold out this amount of Catly. And as you can see here on my Binance account, the deposit of 8.35 USDT was successfully deposited on my account, and not just that one self. I've been withdrawing lots on little but lots of USDT. I think over 10 USDT already after this particular withdrawal. This is another withdrawal from Catly. You can see it, you can see them over here, just little by little. After the $8 withdrawal, I keep on withdrawing little by little. All these payments is almost from Catly. Keep on withdrawing, and think I also withdraw this 3.68 USDT, and the last USDT I withdraw from Catly was this particular 0.50 cents. 50 cents USDT, and you see all of them are a Matic network. So look at this one here. I withdraw this one sometime yesterday, I think it's yesterday morning, from Catly also. So now today's video, I'm going to show you guys another thing on Catly, and I'm going to do a live withdrawal on Catly. So let's dive in and see it. So you guys can see it over here. So I'm currently having 4,000 after all this withdrawal, and even the yesterday withdrawal, I think around $4 worth of Catly. I also got this particular amount, as you can see on my account. So what I normally do, just like I told you guys in my last video, I always take 1,000 pieces of Catly. Yeah, I stake 1,000 pieces of Catly. So what I have to do is to make sure that I stake it, and then I will draw the rest. But first of all, what is Catly? Catly is a meme token according to what it said. Remember, I'm not in any way financial advisor. The project I've been training, and as a content creator, I'm making video about it, but I'm not giving you guys 100% assurance that this is 100% legit. But they came out as a meme token. You guys know meme token have been trending since Coin made a very huge move. Another meme token followed it. Meme token have been trending, and a lot of things have been happening in the crypto space about the meme token. So they have Telegram channel. You can follow this link and go over there and join their Telegram channel. So if you read about them, you see that they are meme token, the only meme token, the first meme token that came out that you can easily buy their pre-sale and still sell it. So that is it. And not just that you can sell it, you can also stake it and yield more, which is the biggest way of making money from it. Why it's not listed yet. So I've listened to them. They said listed after 70% sold target, and as you can see, they are listing, they're changing the exchanges where they can be listed. So as you can see, the net sold is 29% of the pre-sale, and it says after 70% of the sale target, then they will then go over to the exchange. So as you can see, we are still in 29%, so they still have a long way to go on the sale net raise, blah 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 blah. So you can check out by yourself and see how secure they claim to be. So for us, the only thing we do is to invest the Catly that we want to invest, take it and make money. So make sure that first of all, you follow the link in the description of this video to sign up to Catly, and then after using your following the footsteps which they gave you, and using your Binance account to receive the verification code like that. Just like this guy over here, you will receive verification code. They will send you a little amount of USDT, which you will copy that amount of USDT being sent to you and submit it on somewhere like this that they will ask you about verification code. So submit it on that particular page that says EG. just like this person submitted his own. As you can see, that 0.0197 something, that kind of, this is the amount of USDT which they will send to your Binance account once you enter your Binance by the 20 USDT wallet address as a verification, and they will send you the verification code as USDT, just a little amount of USDT. Enter the USDT on somewhere like this, and they will verify that the account is real Binance account. Remember, you will only use Binance account to start doing it. And then once you're done with it, they will give you 500 Catly. They will give you 500 Catly, which you will just come over this particular place and then stake it. So if you come over to this particular place, what you have to do is to go over to this stake and then enter the amount of Catly you want to stake. You want to stake 500 Catly, fine, stake 500 Catly. So right now, what you have to do is just enter the 500 over here, which they gave you for free. Remember, I told you can make money for free on it, but it's just little money because you will just have to wait until you have up to 60 Catly, then you sell out. And that 60 Catly is not that big. You understand? So then if you want to make money with Catly, that is where the investment part comes. So remember, you can make money without investment, but that is just chicken change, but you can also invest and earn. Also, what you have to do is to go over to this particular place that says buy, and then buy, even if it's $1 worth of Catly, and then stake it. It will be giving you 3% of your capital every single day. It will give you 3% of your capital. So imagine using $1 worth of Catly is 250 Catly. So what you have to do is to just deposit any amount of USDT, copy this wallet address being given to you automatically, deposit B20 network USDT there from your Binance account or from anywhere you get B20 network, and then start making 3% of it every single day. So imagine using up to $100 to do it. So every day every 15 days, because after the lock, or after you have deposited and staked it, it will be giving you 3% for 15 days. After the 15 days, your capital is going to come back with you. So just like this. Let me go over and show it to you guys. If you go over to stake over here, you will see that after the 15 days, your capital will come back to your available balance, which you will choose to withdraw or restake. So for me, I normally stake 1,000 pieces, and as you can see over here, my staking details have ended and they have been returning my account, and the only stake I have available here is this 471, and I always stake 1,000 pieces of Catly while I make videos and earn referrals from referral. So what I have to do now is to complete my staking from 471 to 1,000 or 1,000 or more. So what I have to do is to click on stake over here, and I will enter 530. Let me just enter 530 or 550 Catly, and then what next thing I have to do is to click on this particular place that says stake now, and as you can see, my staking is now successful. So if you go over to my my total staking, you see that it's now 1,021 Catly. So if you go over to my available balance over here, now you will see that my available balance is now 2,941. So what I have to do now is to go ahead and place withdrawal. It's very simple for me to place withdrawal. So if I click on sell Catly over here, you will see it over here, and what I have to do now is to enter my available balance, which is 2,941.822. So I'm gonna enter everything. So 822, and then click on this particular place that says sell now, and as you can see, the selling of 9.8 USDT worth of Catly is now done. So now I'm now having only 1,521 Catly as my available balance. So if you go over to this particular place, remember the 500 Catly that was given to you, after 15 days it will expire. You cannot use it again until their listing date, according to what it says. So right now I'm now staking 1,21 pieces of Catly again. So let's wait for the withdrawal to land. And while waiting for the withdrawal, you can also check out the other ways of earning, which is referral, and which is my biggest way of earning. Actually, I have referred a lot of people using my videos and other things. So what you have to do is to just copy your referral link, invite anybody. Once they sign up and start making money, you also get your own cut. It's very simple, and the platform is very long lasting. So as you can see, I'll be earning a lot from my referrals. Roll around But I've already made around $70 to $80 from my referrals. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, and that is my biggest way of earning on this particular place. And by the way, while waiting for the withdrawal, in case you are not following me on Facebook, I drop daily signals, almost daily signals on my Facebook page where you make money. And if you go over to the comment section, you'll be seeing the results. The trading signal is for free. All you have to do is just follow me on Facebook and make sure that you turn on the notification so that whenever I drop any single update, you will be one of the first to get it before the trade go fast. So what you have to do is just join us on Facebook and start making money with us. So it's very simple. All you have to do is just join us, and you'll be seeing a lot of testimonies on the trades that we take. As you can see, it's very simple, and I don't charge anybody. As for now, I don't charge anybody. That's just it. So after around 1,000 confirmation from Matic network, the deposit of 9.81 USDT was successful on my account. So as you can see it, the withdrawal was successful. So that is it. This is how I make money from Catly. Remember, you can start for free. Check out the platform and see how it works, and then you can easily then decide to use the platform and make real money by buying their pre-sale and staking it and selling it off until they are launching. Remember, Zuri King is saying anywhere financial advice. Please do your own research. Invest what you can afford to lose and remain profitable. My name still remains King, and this is ABK Crypto. See you guys on my next video. Bye.